Okay, in this video, I look at how to use the CrispyTuner in Reaper and to get this rewire working so that you can place the cursor where you want in the actual CrispyTuner graphical display, and then Reaper will follow.
When you go, you take a piece of me.
And if you don't, I mean, you can still use CrispyTuner and it's still brilliant if you don't have the rewire working, but it is really handy if you want to make Reaper go to where you want to from within the actual CrispyTuner plugin, rather than having to go into the timeline of Reaper and do it. So you can see the timeline in Reaper and it will just follow. It will follow where I put it in the actual CrispyTuner plugin, which is exactly what you want. The problem I found was that the ReWire device for Reaper doesn't seem to come with the CrispyTuner plugin. So what I did is I went to the old CrispyTuner site and I downloaded CrispyTuner from there, and then I installed it. But important, really important, I only installed in the installer, I just selected the CrispyTuner Rewire Device bit, nothing else. Don't install anything else. And I just installed that, and that seems to work. So download the update or whatever it is, download the product, go to install it, and then when it tells you what it's going to install, deselect everything except the CrispyTuner Rewire Device. So that I installed that, restarted Reaper, and then when I go to the CrispyTuner plugin now, it probably wouldn't work, because what you also need to do is create a new track. Well, this is the way I do it. You can probably put the plugin on the same track as your vocal, but I created a separate track, new track here called Rewire. I named it Rewire, and in the effects, there it is, I installed the ReWire Crispy Rewire Device. I didn't change any of the settings, put that in, and then when you move the cursor within the CrispyTuner display, Reaper will follow, which is exactly what you want.
When you go, you take a piece of me. But if you stay,
so you can go wherever you want, find a bit that you want to actually have a look at the tuning on.
There's a cold wind blowing here tonight.
And then you can start editing. So that's how to do the rewire at the moment on the brilliant CrispyTuner plugin from Brainworx Plugin Alliance. Thanks for watching.